How to make a quick bonsai easily at home. Here I found a large lantana plant at my backyard, which recently been cut down for cleaning purpose. This is a huge trunk with hole-like structure in the mid of the trunk. There are many ways to get a large trunk for a bonsai, like grafting or by training your bonsai on the ground. Or we can search for a wild plant which already look like a bonsai. I'll show you the detailed structure, but first let me take this out carefully. So this is the full structure we've got. It is white-pink mixed lantana, probably 9 or 10 years or more. To grow on a container we have to cut those roots again.